We'll guide you through how to calculate percentages in an Excel sheet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and so you want to go and calculate the percentage. This can be really interesting to go and do. So as you can see here, I've got some exam results, which I want to go and do this with. So make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So what you want to do is go and click on the cell where you want to go and have the percentage and the answer. And you want to go and press equals as you're writing a formula. Then what you need to do is go and select the first number. So in this case, that is the mark. So I'm going to click there and it's then put in. And then what you can do is go and put in a slash. And you want to go and click on the total, like so in my case, or what it's out of. Then you can go and press enter. As you can see, we now go and get it here. So you can actually go and see this would be 36%, but we need to now go and format it correctly. So come into number at the top and you can go and click percentage style. And as you can see, we've now successfully done it. You can easily go and repeat this by placing your cursor in the bottom right of the cell and you can click, hold and drag, and we can go and repeat it and for the others.